All right, here we go with Cynthia Horner and Nimble, the defending champions in small dog agility. They got it done here 1 year ago at Purina Farms, looking for back-to-back national championship titles and blazing out of the gates. And another championship performance well underway. The All-American 6-year-old female from Ellicott City, Maryland. Cynthia Horner doing a great job getting Nimble through the weave poles. So fast, so quick. Nimble as can be with a 27.75. That will wrap it up. Back-to-back national championship titles. An outstanding performance getting it done here at Purina Farms here in 2024.